Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today there was a new update of the power plant robbery. Okay, the revamped power plant. Okay, the revamped power plant revamped. So yeah, so now I will show you. See guys, I'm 2.9 million, right? Now I only need this much. Okay, more. Only 170. No, $163 more. Then I'll be 3 million. Okay, and first I'll rob the power plant. Then it's easy. Okay. So yeah. So now we'll go to first Volt Bike. Okay, this power plant has special something. Okay, this power plant, I'll tell you guys. This power plant has more uranium. Okay, this power plant is more uranium. Okay, in the original power plant you get 6450 as the first uranium from the starting, and then now in this power plant you will get 6700, because guys actually this one has a like really tough obbies. Okay, so yeah, so that's why guys. Now first I just need a donut because it helps sometimes to heal. Okay, so yeah, so and if you have the forced field gun, then it's good in the area 51 in the military base. I don't want to rob it. Okay, yeah, then you have to get the jetpack also. Okay, this if you're like if you know how to rob it nicely, then you don't need a jetpack. But I'm doing it, I think so, for the first time. No, second time I'm doing it, the power plant. So that's why I need the jetpack. Yeah, once I'll get like used to it, right, I'll get habit of it, then I don't need a jetpack. Yeah, so it's very nice guys. I'll show you afterwards. Now only I'll show you first. Okay, yeah, so we are almost going there. We are almost reached. Okay, you can see that. Yeah, so first it was used to be like this. Can you see guys, like in the 1 second? I'll show you guys 1 second. I don't know guys what's happening. Why can't I go up? Yeah, so this is now full revamped power plant. First it used to has like the miniature map. Can you see? Yeah, but now it's like full changed. Yeah, so first we'll go to jetpack, then we'll show you how to rob it. Okay guys, it is very hard, but it is nice. It's very nice. You'll get more, right? You'll get more uranium as it, so that's why. So now we'll just go up. I'll just go from here only, then I'll come back there. Guys, the server is a bit laggy. Okay, so please don't tell, and make sure to like, subscribe. Okay, comment down, please comment down which one do you like, the old power plant or the new power plant. Okay, from the looks. Okay, tell me which one do you like from the looks. Then now I'll show you, right, how to rob it. Then tell me which one was easy to you. Okay, tell me guys, tell me. Okay, yeah, so now we are here. Now first we'll just have to park my Volt bike, and if my Volt bike disappears, then I have to take my Challenger, you know, right? This Challenger actually has now spawned here also. I don't know about the shooting range, but now it spawns here. So first you have to solve it like that time also you used to solve it. Okay, now you have to solve here only. Okay, now see, you solved it. This gate would open. Now you go inside. Nothing use of this gate. Okay, now you have to be careful. This goes like this fast. Okay, now here are lasers. You have to jump above it. Okay, now remember, don't fell in the front. You have to go side here. Don't go that side. Okay, here. Yeah, now you'll come here. You'll get this one. Okay, you remember? Yeah, this one used to be there, right? Yeah, so now you have to solve it like normally you used to. Now I'm solving it. Now we're almost there. Yeah, so now be careful guys. It has actually it gives 7,000 guys. You have to be very careful. See, as I have less health left. Now you have to come here, go from this base. Yeah, come here. Okay, I parked my volt bike here only so I can go easily. Yeah, so see, comment down which one do you like most. See, I told you right, 7,000 it gives. Yeah, so it gives like that more. Okay, but now because it gives like that because it is hard hobby, right? You have to go rob more. Okay, after the you get the uranium. Yeah, so my highest till now, okay, in all power plant is the 5,600 which I got today only. Okay, which I got today only. That's why. So yeah, so now I'll show you guys this 5,600. Now I got it. Okay, now first I'll go. Actually this is a bit laggy server, so I can't get that much, but I will try to get at least 5,000. Okay, so I'm here now. Open the gate. This is what happened just. Okay, what is happening, guys? I got stuck here. No, see, I told you it's a laggy server. I'll try to get out, guys. How should I get out? Guys, I got stuck here. Now I can't get out. Or else I could get at least 5,000, guys. I don't know, guys, what's happening with me, guys. I don't know. I could finish my 3 million. I could finish my 3 million. See, I can still try if I can get out. Okay, I just got out. I got out. Okay, now first I'll just refill it. Refill standard fuel. Now I'll go. Okay, I can still get something to. Okay, so yeah, so okay, just open it. Oh, I remember I'm not level 10 now also. Yeah, the levels are resetted. Guys, so I can't get out also. I remember just now. I remember that the levels are resetted, guys. If I will not stuck there, right, I could get 5,000. Okay, but it's okay. I will show in my next video also the new power plant robbery. Okay, see guys, my uranium got lost. Value 0. See, now I can't even get out. Now only my chances to go here. I have to die, guys. I can't do anything. Yeah, see, I died. So now we can do nothing. Yeah, I have 3 safes left, so I can just open one safe and then I'll get 250, right? So yeah, so I'll get 3 million at least. Guys, I'm very sad, guys. We'll not get anything, guys. See guys, we are in 3 million. See, I reached 3 million, guys. Yeah, so that's all for today's video, guys. I'll show you the power plant robbery next video also in my next video. So yeah, that's all for today's video. Bye guys, have fun. Okay, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye, enjoy.